Good evening, viewers. Welcome to my channel Census 2027 Learning Hub. So, in our earlier video, last video, we have seen that how exactly ID and appointment letters are generated, right? So, in this video, we will go through the concepts of a live CMMS portal walkthrough, right? This is the practical screenshots from our portal. So, our portal will have this type of menus: dashboards and reports, user management, HLO management, training management, printing and logistic management, and downloads, right? So I will explain each and every modules, right? Under dashboard and reports and user management, all those details, in detail I will explain all those menus, right? So first I will discuss on user management. This is very important module, right? So I will take a new slide, right? So under user management, we have single account user creation and bulk user account creation. Along with we have view users functionality is also there. So what exactly the hierarchy and how users are created? Let's say this is the hierarchy. Okay, from national admin, we used to create DCO admin, and then DCO admin will create state admin, and then state admin will create district admin, right? And district admin will create charge admin, and charge admin will create enumerators and supervisor. So this is the hierarchy, right? But from the charge point of view and district point of view, this is only the relevant users, right? And similarly we will have DCO users, right? State users, district users, charge users, right? So let's explain each one. In using this functionality, like single user creation, we will create we can create all users, we can create all types of users, all types of users, whatever is mentioned in this, right? But in practical scenario, we will create enumerators and supervisors using what? Using that bulk user creation, because enumerators and supervisors will be in large numbers. Like, as it will be in large numbers, so it is not feasible or not practically feasible for creating each user singly, right? For that case, we will create bulk user for enumerators and supervisors. For bulk user, there is a template which we need to download it, and in that template, I have already showed you the template will be like this. This is the template. This will be the template. This one is a template. So in this template, you will see that there are few fields called type of functionaries, name, email ID, holder mobile number, sex, and all those fields will be there, right? So we need to fill this template properly. In that template, there will be some column name in red and some will be in black. The red field are mandatory fields and the black field are non-mandatory fields. We need to fill the data properly. Before using this CMMS portal for bulk user creation, we should create the entire template first and finalize it. After finalizing, we need to upload it to our CMMS portal using this bulk user creation functionality. Once we upload the Excel, then we can see using the view users. After creation, we can see the view users to see whether the users are created, is there any issue, right? And after that, in view users only, we can edit the users also. So any charge admin who has created any users, only he can edit that users. Other charge admin cannot edit the users created by some other admin. Got it? So our next menu will be view users. I have already explained. So single user creation we can use for creation of charge users, all the users except for enumerators and supervisors. Yes, they can be created by single users, but in practical scenario we are not creating it by single user. Bulk user creation I have also explained, and then view users I have explained. So this completes our user management module. After that we have HLO management. Under HLO management, we have create or view HLB option, HLB description, supervisor circle creation, supervisor circle allotment, supervisor circle revocation, HLB allocation, HLB revocation, and then supervisory appointment letter ID and card generation, and enumerator appointment letter and ID card generation. After that, upload supervisory map, upload enumerator map, village register, and charge register. Okay. So I will learn one by one. So let's say our first option is create or view HLB, right? Create or view HLB. As I have already explained that in our, while we will click on the create or view HLB, we will get a view of the screen where there will be all the major fields like state code, district code, sub district code, village name, and ward name. These all will be pre-filled. Only few details that we need to enter, like estimated population, right? After that, hamlet's name, number of panchayat, right? After that, locality name for urban, and hamlet for village or rural. After that, number of HLVs. These are some of the fields that we need to enter in that create and view functionality, right? The screen. After entering these details, but one important thing, before entering anything in the CMMS portal, we need to do a table work first in offline, right? Offline we need to make an Excel, and after finalizing everything, that population is finalized, right? Hamlet's name, locality name finalized, number of panchayats and number of HLBs are finalized, then only we should enter it into the CMMS portal. One more thing, one HLB population equivalent is 800 to 900 population, right? So we should accordingly, let's say 2400 population, then there will be how many HLVs? 3 HLVs. Similarly 4800, how many HLVs will be there? 6 HLVs. You got it, right? So this is how we need to enter the details in our create or view functionality. After that, there will be an option, of submit, right? Once we will submit it, then all the HLBs will be created, like 4-digit code 00. Let's say population is 1400 and we have mentioned 2 HLBs, right? In that case, like this HLBs will be created. Got it? Let's say 4800 population. It is village 1 and it is village B. It is 4800. Then how many HLB will be there? 6 HLBs. Then 6 HLBs, what will be the numbering? 0003, 0004, 0005, 0006, 0007, 0008. Got it now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this way, entire sequence will be maintained. Right? This way, sequence will be maintained. So, but after we have finalized it and then we have entered the details, and after submitting, like this HLBs will be generated. But say after submitting, we will have two options. Above top right hand we will have update and freeze option, but freeze option we should be clicking this freeze button when we are completely sure and we have finalized our sheet, before finalizing the sheet we should not click on the freeze button, because once freeze button is clicked, then we cannot make any changes in our uh, create HLB screen, except for adding of HLBs, right? So we should be very much careful before clicking on freeze. But yes, before freeze, update option will be there. We can update any field in that all we can update any fields like estimated population or number of HLBs in our create view screen. Okay. And one more important point, after freeze we will see that add HLB option will be visible before every villages, right? In village, in front of every village there will be add or HLB option, right? Let's say village has A has HLB 0001 and 0002. In our earlier example I have explained this, 0001 and 0002. And let's say here add after, let's say we have freeze this, right? After freezing, add HLB option will be visible before every village, right? This is, I think you have already have seen this. Okay, let me rub it, then it will be clear for us. So after submit, after freezed, there will be an add HLB option. Let's say we have added one more HLB, but we cannot increase the population as the system is free. Let's say for example we are increasing one HLB here also. Then what will be that next HLB number? If we click on this add HLB, the numbering will be 0009, not 0003, because 0003 has already been allocated to village B HLB. You got it? So we should be, it is recommended that at the first stage only we should before freeze only we should finalize the number of HLBs, so that this type of uh, disruption in sequence should not take place, because it is not, it does not look contiguous, right? 0001 0002 and after that 0009, like it looks, it look wise also it gets somewhat confusing. So we should finalize the sheet, after that only we should freeze it. Okay, so after that we have the create HLB, and after that freeze, then what will happen? Once it is freezed, once it is freezed, then we will have an option of HLB mapping button. HLB mapping button will be visible. You, once you log in the CMMS, you will be able to see that after freeze that HLB mapping will be visible, and that will redirect us to our new portal called HLBC portal, that we will be discussing in detail, as well as hands on we will be doing a lot in HLBC portal. So this is all about our create view or create or view HLB. In our next video we will discuss the other menus like HLB description, supervisor cycle creation, supervisor cycle allotment, all those details. Thank you. I hope you like this video, and if these videos are useful to you, then I request you to please hit like and subscribe, so that I can create more videos. And again I am telling, these videos will be very much beneficial for this forthcoming census 2027, right? So thank you everyone.